Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome back.
I found this candle last year for the fall time at Aldi's, and I fell in love with the packaging, and I said to myself, I want to repurpose this for something else. So I decided to use it for like my coffee storage since we're almost in the fall season. I found this gorgeous gold silverware set from HomeSense, and I am obsessed with the details.
So today is September 1st, and we have a Facebook Marketplace item that we have to pick up later. The seller just reached out to me and asked if I could come later this evening. I'm sad because I was just hoping to get it like right after I came back from church, but whatever. So today the focus is on the dining room area. The concept of this apartment, I guess you call it, or is not that big. So the area that I have designated for the dining space is like kind of small. So I went with one of those round pedestal tables with, I guess the chair is called like a barrel chair. And we have some items that we'll decorate the table with, which is exciting. So stay tuned. Bye. So this is the area that we have for the dining space. So we're just going to put the table like in this area here, and we'll see how that goes.
So we have this natural wood pedestal table. The seller said that it was originally from Restoration Hardware. Love that. But it has a lot of wear and tear on it. I'm not too mad about that because she was willing to come down on the price. So I decided to clean her up, and then we'll get to decorating.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whichever time of the day applies to you at the time that you're watching. So I want to show you guys a quick haul for the decor that I picked up for the dining table, and then we'll get into actually styling it, you know, the fun stuff. Some of you may already be familiar with this item, but here we have I think these are called like the ruffled jute placemats. These are from Hobby Lobby. I think they are so cute, so dainty, so demure. Love those beige linen napkins for the tables to like put on the placemats and all that. These are so cute. I just love the ruffles, like all things super girly and feminine. And these are also from Hobby Lobby. They come in a set of 6. I really didn't need that many, but because it's not sold, you know, individually, I had to go ahead and pick up the 6, but they were actually on sale. Can't remember how much, but I'll pop up on the screen the sale price, because the Hobby Lobby, I had to go to not the one that's closest to me, but one that's a little further out, and they were fully stocked. Like these items, I'm almost certain. Well, not the napkins. You can still, yes, hi. You can still purchase the napkins online, but these placemats are very much sold out online. So unless you have it in your local Hobby Lobby, or may have to drive a little further out to get them, highly suggest. These are so cute, and it's really great quality. A lot of the napkin rings that Trader Joe's are just like very rustic, like rustic, boho, or just catering specifically to the fall, like with a full-blown pumpkin. And I didn't want to go in that direction, so I found these muted gold rings. It's like this little, looks like a little half moon. These are so cute. And these are to match some candle holders that I already had. The best thing about home decor, you can hang on to it, repurpose it. If you decide to take your decor in another direction, you can always use it at a later time and put it in another area. So that's the beauty of it. I used to get rid of everything. Now I be sure to keep it because I'm always like, I want to use this for this. And which brings me to these candle holders that I picked these up last year for Christmas. These came from Michael's. It's 2 different sizes, and I have a third one that's like this, the same size as the shorter one, but for the table I'm only using 2, which is the taller one and the short. Had some sales on their candles, so I picked these up to go in the candle holders. When you go for the cream tapered candles, it seems like with this particular candle, they're always giving off like that yellow pale tint, and I don't like that, but we'll see how it turns out once we get the styling.
Mommy.
Hi. I believe that's about it. So I already took out 2 of the napkins. I'm going to play around with it to see how I want to style it inside of the ring, because I'm thinking that I want to steam it, but we'll see. So let's head over to the table.
I found these lovely swivel dining chairs at TJ Maxx for only $130. Like, can you believe that? There are so many stores who are selling them for like 200 tops and up, which is crazy to me. So I was so excited when I found these. Oh my goodness, how could I forget the main characters in the freaking haul? So these stems are the fig berry spray stems that I also found from Hobby Lobby, and this vase came from TJ Maxx. pumpkin and pumpkin spice girly. I found this cute little candle from Target. I love the texture of it. It has like this ceramic chalky finish.